Warm welcome. You're with India Today. Let's take you now to Jantar Mantar, where the protest by our veterans continue on one rank, one pension. The latest, another veteran, Havaldar Abhishek Singh, was taken to the hospital today. While protesting for the OROP scheme in the national capital, he was on to a fast unto death when his health deteriorated drastically and was hospitalized. He is the third protester in a row this week who had to be shifted to the hospital because of poor health conditions. Till now, the government has not shown any absolute signs of implementation. The ex-army servicemen who have been protesting for more than 73 days had met Home Minister Rajnath Singh at his residence 2 days back. However, the meeting did not bear any fruit. The protesters have warned that government that they would intensify the protest and pressurize the government till their demand is met.
हमने जब वर्दी पहनी थी तो मरने के लिए शहीद होने के लिए पहनी थी। हम जो भी उनको बोला है लेके रहेंगे, किसी भी कीमत हम लेके रहेंगे। हमारे पास शहीदों की कोई कमी नहीं है, ना ही हम भीख मांगते हैं, ना मोदी को हम धमकी देते हैं।
I want to cut across to Anandya, who is joining us right now from Jantar Mantar with the very latest. Anandya, it's over to you. Can you get us a sense of what is the mood right now in Jantar Mantar? Today, it makes the third veteran to be taken to the hospital.
Well, Preeti, to put it rightly, it's actually the fourth veteran who is to be taken to the referral hospital of Army near the airport. Remember, there have been at least 12 people who have been on the fast hunt to death. First, it started with 2 people. On the third day, another joined, and then various war veterans volunteered and joined this whole movement as far as fast hunt to death is concerned. Also, it is very important to stress the fact that it is the 76th day of the relay hunger strike that is also happening simultaneously. Now, as you were rightly mentioning, Havaldar Major Singh, he has been on today is the 14th day he has been passed on to death. His ketones have been have been improper. As his blood sugar, BP has also been falling very fast, and that's why doctors advised that he must be subject to medical supervision, and that's why he has been taken to Army Research and Referral Hospital. Now, very quickly, if I may add, Preeti, about the fervor of the whole movement here at Jantar Mantar right from the very beginning in the morning. It has been a celebratory mood, considering the fact today is Raksha Bandhan. War veterans' wives have come here to tie the knot and boost the morale of the people who are on strike, who are on fast to death as well. Also, Captain Vijayan Thapar, one of the martyrs,
yes,
who laid his life during the Kargil war. His mother also came here, tied the knot with all the people who are either on the relay hunger strike or on the fast hunt to death, and lifted the morale of the people who are facing various difficulties as far as bodily difficulties as well as stress also, because remember, it's not easy to be on a fast hunt to death for 14 days in this Delhi summer.